So the reason I've done a cordless handheld vacuum in the range was I felt there was a huge demand in the market for this. There's not many out there at the moment that actually perform really well. It is quieter and provides more optimal performance compared to other vacuum cleaners. The brushless motor provides constant and smooth performance for long-lasting use. So we have 2 speed settings with this particular model. So you've got light cleaning, so if you were just vacuuming some cereal that had spilt, but you've also got boost mode. So this is for that really hardcore cleaning. Having a product like handheld just makes it so easy for like cleaning anything. So you can literally whip it off the stand, go outside, you can vacuum the car, reach up high, do your curtains, you can do your sofa. Honestly, you can literally vacuum almost any surface with this. The vacuum cleaner features 2 speed settings to take on a range of floor, surface and furniture types. It comes with multiple accessories, 2-in-1 nozzle, sofa brush and motorised pet tool. One of the most important features of this vacuum was that it did have a really good HEPA filter, which is great if you suffer from allergies. So the charging station to me is really important because it keeps all those handy tools together in one location. You can literally charge your vacuum, keep everything neat and keep it tucked away in a corner so it's not in your way and it will look lovely in your kitchen. So the 9 pieces in this range have been personally selected by me. They've all got an amazing use within the home. They're all different, they're slightly unique to what is currently on the market. They're bright, they're beautiful, and we are going to make cleaning so much fun with these 9 fabulous pieces.